Hello, if you wish to change slow motion speed on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then you can open the camera app. Of course, you want to go to More, and we have two slow motion speeds. We have the default slow motion and the super slow motion. Now, with super slow motion, you are allowed to record only a couple of seconds, unfortunately. So if you want to record longer videos, then you need to use the normal slow motion. Now, on the other hand, if you wish to change the speed of the video that is already recorded, then in that case, the universal way to do so is by going to gallery. Then in the gallery, you want to find the slow motion video. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And now we need to press this pen icon in order to start editing the video. And over here, we have the range of the slow motion, so you can extend it to the whole video, or you can make only selected part of the video in slow motion. Once you are done, simply press save or tap on these three dots and save as copy so that you don't lose the original video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!